Hello everyone, my name is Nir. I'm 31 years old from Israel. Yesterday I did a hair plant, Hairsmith Clinic. I found Dr. Sharma in the internet and I'm really happy with the surgery. It was not so pain, the team was super good. As a foreigner, it's very hard to find here a good place because I don't speak Hindi and also I don't know India so much, so I just saw the reviews in the internet, but every reviews that was right, it was the same. They give me really good feeling and it was really comfortable, the team, and very professional. I'm wait to see the final result when my hair will grow up, and I want to say thank you to all the team. It was great. Thank you.